Good day everyone, I'm Edric Luis B. Santos from BSBA HR3F. What methods did the Spanish colonizers use to exploit Filipino labor and violate their human rights, and how did Filipino communities resist these practices? During the Spanish colonial era, the local population in the Philippines was subjected to a system of forced labor known as polo y servicio, which was performed without pay. Conceptually, it was comparable to the Spanish-American forced labor system known as repartimiento. Through the encomienda system, which was established throughout the Indies by Nicolas de Obando, governor of the Indies from 1502 to 1509, Spanish slavery was brought to the Philippines. The Spanish conquerors were compensated under this system by having the indigenous peoples perform forced labor. Although the pre-colonial Alipin system of serfdom was in place prior to the Spanish Empire's colonization of the islands in 1565. It was distinct in that native groups were not required to perform forced labor for their superiors. The Alipin, on the other hand, performed work and services under a complicated system of duties. In fact, their etymology suggests that they were initially war prisoners giving ransom. Forced relocation from their ancestral lands, forced assimilation into dominant cultures, the loss of autonomy and self-determination, forced labor, systematic discrimination, and violence are only a few examples of the ways in which these abuses take place. That's all. Thank you.